Penny show. Hi, Pen. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're a good girl. Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa. Are you done? Oh, no. Now you're going to try to sit upside down. Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is the Penny Show. No, it's One Lisa Show. And with special weekly guest, Penny. Yes, you good girl. All right, Penny. All right, can I talk to the people? Can I talk to the people? Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Where's your toy? Okay. Well, I have a guest today. Penny is wanting rubs and attention. And she's gotten her hair all over my top. And if you haven't noticed, I did something really big this week, and I chopped off my hair, and I got about 12 inches that was able to be donated to Wigs for Kids in Michigan. And I got this fabulous kind of, it's a long bob, but it's got some layers in it, and so it does what it wants, but I'm loving it. Today I'm wearing a basic Freya in black jersey that now is covered in penny fur, and I think some blanket fuzz from a new blanket we have. It is quite cold here. We woke up to just a dusting of snow on the ground, and after a few days of rain and wind, the sun is actually out, so I'm hoping I can take some pictures of my March makes for my next video. But happy Friday, Friday Sews. Yesterday was March 31st. It was the reveal day for the So Frugal 22 challenge. I am not wearing my So Frugal challenge item because I wore it the other day. I'm going to pop in a picture if you didn't see it on Instagram, or I don't know. If you didn't see it, here's a picture. I ended up using some half-yard cuts that I had from Girl Charlie. It was a light pink and a darker pink. I talked about it in my So Frugal video, and the best part is I had to color block them together to be long enough to make the Do It Better Yourself Club, or DIBY Club, ABB, Anything But Basic t-shirt. That is a free pattern. I will make sure the link is somewhere in the description at some point in the next few hours if it's not already up there. But I had made that shirt many times over for my nieces in the children's version, and they have a free children's version, a free women's, and a free men's. So I thought I'd try it out for me, and I absolutely love it. I did the medium crew neck, so there's 3 different neck bands. I did the medium crew neck on that, and if I had enough of the dark pink, I think I would have done a dark pink neck band, because I also did I did armbands on the sleeves instead of just a traditional fold-up hem. It's a cute top. I like it. I think those colors suit me, and they make me smile. Speaking of the So Frugal challenge, I saw a couple of makes on Instagram yesterday that really wowed me, and if you are taking part or if you've been watching, those makes come in on the 31st. You might have noticed some. There's been so many entries that I don't know how Ruanne and Sam from Frugalissima are going to do it. I don't know how they're going to do it and sort them. And massive thanks to Ruanne, the Yorkshire Sew Girl, and Sam, who is Frugalissima on YouTube, for hosting this and organizing this fun challenge, because I think this is such a popular challenge, and it's only the 2nd year, and it's so popular, and it's so much fun to watch all the makes come through on the 31st. Anyhow, what I wanted to say was I saw 2 specific makes, and I fell in love with them yesterday, and both people had talked about it in their videos today. Oh, actually, one might have been yesterday. She did a reveal video. That was Theresa from Lost My Thread. She did a jumpsuit, and that was a free pattern from Peppermint magazine. She altered it. I had seen that pattern before and not thought anything of it, but what she did was she turned a crew style neck to a V-neck, and it looks fabulous. And Adam did the Donna dress, and I think that was fabricstore.com was that free pattern. I love both of those, and I think they're both very 80s inspired because they have that boxy style top with grown on sleeves, and it just kind of gives me, it reminds me of like the late 80s, mid to late 80s, and I love 80s, I love 60s, I love 70s, I love 80s, 90s could have gone, 2000s could have gone, but I do love that 80s style, and they're both elasticated waists. I just think those are just so cool. I want to download both of those. I want to point out, if you didn't see their videos, if you didn't follow them on Instagram or see their makes on Instagram and you haven't seen their videos, definitely check them out. They're fabulous. I'm in love with both of those. So I think I want to make both for this summer because I think the Donna dress is perfect. Both I could use for work, and then I would do exactly what Theresa did and V-neck that jumpsuit because I had passed that pattern by many times thinking nothing of it, but seeing what she did to it and the adjustments she made just sold me. So well done. Well done. Oh, I really like both of them, how they turned out. What else happened? Not much. I made my So Frugal make. There was another So Frugal make I wanted to complete. I just didn't have enough time. Didn't get to it, so I'm not going to share that. Maybe in the future, if I finish it, I will definitely share with everybody because it was commented highly from my So Frugal Plans video where I gave my options of what I might do. And otherwise, I'm enjoying that there's some sun today and sky and clouds. It's a wonderful combination and hopefully a sign that spring is going to be here soon. My weekend plans, and I talked about this in a video I posted I think the other day. We found this. This is going to show up kind of funny because I'm wearing all black and this is color. We found this very simple pajama short, it looks like, that was half made. It just needs to be hemmed and it needs a waistband really, but I can't tell the front and the back. I can't tell the front and the back. It's not going to fit me. I think I tried it on trying to figure out what the front and the back were. They seem to be perfectly equal. I'm just going to put some elastic on it and hem it, and I think it might end up for my mom, or well, it might not even end up for my mom. Maybe one of my nieces. I don't really know. I think it's kind of low, so I could put a waist on it, and it might fit my nieces, but it's going to be too wide. So I might have to take it in on the sides. We'll see. But my thoughts are to try to do something with this if I have time. I'm going to finish my blouse for my sister today. And these have been on my sewing desk for way too long. It is the muslin, wearable muslin that I was working on for the Megan Nielsen Dawn jeans. It's the shorts in a chartreuse green. I need to finish these because they've just been sitting. They have been sitting on my sewing table for way too long. Yep. And I need that space. And I don't like having half-made projects. So my goal this weekend is to start clearing out some of these half-made projects because it makes me feel flustered and uneasy. I like to make a project, complete it, move on to the next project. In the meantime, I'm watching everybody's videos and I'm thinking, oh, I want to make that. Oh, I want to make that. Oh, yes, I want to make that. And even sometimes when I get set off on something and I need to walk away from a project, I'll start cutting out another project, but I shouldn't. It makes me uncomfortable to see something half made. So I am going to attempt to finish these up this weekend. Those are my plans. The other thing I did was I mentioned in a previous video in the not too distant past that I wanted to make my sister a top for her birthday, and I wanted it done before her birthday. We are past her birthday and I am sewing it up today. it has been cut out. I had decided, and just so you all know, it is the Coco is what I decided on, so I cut it out, and I'm hoping to get it sewn up as soon as I get off here and get that done during my work break. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to visiting with you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching.